So right now we're just gonna walk back towards the other way and take a look around the town. I'm gonna shoot some video and maybe we'll find something fun to do. Unfortunately for me, literally 60 seconds after I rented my death scooter, it started raining. And I mean, I know it's gonna rain today, but still, I was not happy about that. I got a little wet. It has died down, but it is scheduled to rain all day and all night until tomorrow. So we'll see how that plays out. I myself, I rented a scooter for the day, a little death cycle, as I tend to call them. But here we are. You can see the shops are lined up for about a block or 2 blocks down the road, just full of shops. Taxi services, bike rides, clothing. I'm actually out here looking for something to eat. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I have yet to have a single thing to eat. Oh, wow. That's like me talking to my ex-girlfriend about trying to park. When you come to a beach town like this, you almost have to always at least go to the beach and take a look at the water. I grew up in Carlsbad, California, literally minutes away from the ocean. And I think over a 10-year period, I probably hopped in the water maybe 3 or 4 times. I'm not much of an ocean guy. I mean, I love looking at it. I just don't like getting into the water. But, and I'm not going to get into it today. I did the Phuket sandbox for 3 weeks, and I dipped my toe, shall we say, in the ocean water for about 10 minutes. And that was enough for me. And then last December, I went to Tulum. I have some videos on that. But I went to Tulum, and I was in the water for like 10 minutes. I'm like, this is enough for me. I love swimming. I love the ocean. I just don't like to get into it. Well, if you have a different experience than mine, let me know. Comment down below and tell me why you like the waters. Oh, look at that aquatic blue water that Thailand's known for. Well, maybe it's not that aquatic blue, but look. They're giving horsey rides here. Isn't that neat? This is going to be a eat, drink, travel, quick bite, short tour of the chocolate factory here in Hua Hin. So one spot that I was told to definitely try out here in Hua Hin was the chocolate factory. I came here and it's amazing inside. It's unlike any other establishment I've seen here in the city of Hua Hin. If you're in the mood for something sweet, this is absolutely the spot to stop by. They have an assortment of chocolates which are made here on the premises. They have chocolate lava cakes, they have espressos, they have ice cream, they have sundaes. They even have a full-fledged restaurant which serves some of the best food in this part of town. So what I'm going to do right now is show you some of the food that I'm getting, at least the snacks I ate before I came here. So I'm not going to eat any of the amazing looking food right away, maybe tomorrow. But I'll show you some of the sweets that they serve. And you're going to have to stop by and take a look for yourself because these videos do not do justice to the inside of this place, the chocolate factory. And here we go. Well, take a look at this right now. I'm at the chocolate factory in Hua Hin. You guys have to check this out. This is a dessert that I got. Vanilla ice cream, lava cake, strawberry syrup with real strawberries on the side, and of course, a nice espresso. Yum.